Welcome. Today you will learn how to design birthday card on Microsoft Word. Okay? Microsoft Word program has a lot of functionalities. Okay? And one of them is its ability to create different graphic designs. Okay? So here I will cover how you can create birthday card from templates and how you can do that from blank document. So follow me from the beginning to the end to learn everything you need to know about this skill. First, let's design from template. Okay? So click the start button of your PC and search for Word. So select the Word app for it to open. As it opens, you can see this section. This is for templates, okay? So click the option More Templates. Remember, I am using the Microsoft Word contained in Microsoft 365 package, okay? So get up to date word processor by subscribing to that. So let's continue. So in this search for online templates, click it there and then search for birthday card, okay? Okay, after typing the name of the template you need, which is birthday card, press the enter key of your computer keyboard. This will return some samples, okay? You can see here we have a lot of samples we can choose from. This one is fine, this one is fine, this one is fine. But let's go with this. I think I like this, so I'll click on that. Then on this new page, click on create. You can see here it has happy birthday, all right? So we can decide to add something after this. Let's say I want to say happy birthday Godwin. Okay, so you can press the enter key of your computer keyboard to jump to the next line, and then you type the name of the person you want to wish happy birthday. Okay, but in this case, I wouldn't like to type the text here just like this. I would like to introduce text box so that I can be able to move the text box from one part of this design to another. Okay. So, and for you to add text box, click on insert, then click on shape and select this first option. This first option is text box. Then press and hold on the left button of your mouse and drag in one direction. Okay. So here I'll type the name of the person. So here I say Godwin. Okay. Godwin, the font size is small, so I'll select Ctrl A and then increase the font. So I'll get to home, then I can take this here and go for something bigger. Okay, let me insert maybe value of 35 and then press enter key. Anyway, I'll bold it. I can then adjust this to the center. All right, and I may change the font color, Ctrl A, come to this side. Let me go with green. Okay, so I'll reduce this. Happy birthday, Godwin. Okay, all right. This seems cool, but I think there's something we need to work further on here. So I want us to remove something here. So I'll click on this shape format. Then we'll look for outline, shape outline. So I will say no outline so that this black stuff, this that black rectangle around this name has been removed. Okay, so maybe I think I need to add Godwin's photo somewhere here to make it look more customized. And for me to do that, I'll click on Insert, click on Photos, click on this device because I have the photo already saved in my PC. Okay, so I will select the Pictures folder. Then I'll get to where my photo is. There's a folder here called My Pictures. Okay, double click. Then this will be fine. Or should I go with this? Let me go with this. Insert. Okay, this is inserted, but it's kind of moved, created a new page. But no problem. Let me minimize it. I think we'll jump to the next page after that. Good. Okay, so I'll crop this. Click on crop and then push this forward. Push this down. So customize your photo the way you want it, okay? Good. So I can, okay, now I want to drag this to this other side, but it's not possible. So I need to do something here. First is to select this photo, and after that, click on the format, picture format tab, okay? Good. Click on wrap text and select in front of text, okay? Then with this, we can move this photo around anywhere we want to have it. You can see that. So I have it here, so I can drag it up, okay? This is just a simple design. Happy birthday, Godwin. So this is Godwin here. So now that we are done with our design, it's now time to save it, okay? For you to save it, just click on File. But don't leave because the one we are going to create from blank template will look more beautiful than this. I assure you that. So let's save this first. Then I'll select Save As, select Browse. Then I'll choose where I want to save this. Where is the documents here? Okay, I've selected document. Then I'll give this, okay, let's say happy birthday or just birthday design. I'll click on save. All right. Now, this design now is now saved in document format, meaning that when you get to your PC File Explorer, you can send this to someone from here, from there, okay? But it will appear in document format. But in most cases, mobile devices prefer opening some files that are in PDF format. So let's export this in PDF. All right, so click on File, select Export, select Create. Okay, so this is already in PDF. You can see that it's now in PDF format. This standard publishing, online and printing is selected by default. Okay, then we can click on. Okay, let's locate a place where we want to save it. Documents and the birthday card, the same name, but in PDF format. So click on publish. And now this file is now saved. And you can see as it opens in a PDF format, you can see it looks kind of more beautiful here. All right. So now that we have saved this in PDF, let's now go and convert it to JPEG or PNG, all right? So that we can be able to, if we don't want to print it out, from here we can print it if we want to print it out. We can click on print it, we print out from our printer. But if we don't want to print it out, the best we can do is to just go and convert it to picture format. And after the conversion to picture format, we can send it to our friends and they will get it from there, okay? It's easy for them. I'll open my web browser. Okay, so I'll visit this website called Convert.io. All right. If you don't know the particular website, just type Convert.io. Then it shows up in the search result. You can see it here, convertio.co. So I'll click on that. Then I'll click on choose file. Then I save that in documents. So then we called it birthday something, birthday card. So see it here, it's selected. Then click on open. Okay, here we are, it's already in PDF, so we want to convert it to, so select the format you want to convert it to here. Then click on image. You can go with JPEG, you can go with PNG. So let's go with JPEG here. Okay, see JPEG here. So let's go with this. So click on convert. Then click on download. So with this file will be downloaded into your PC. Okay, let's now get straight to how to create the birthday card from blank template. That is from scratch. Okay, so I'll click on start, then select Word. As the Word app opens, select blank template. Okay, then we have this interface, but the fact is that this dimension is not a suitable dimension for birthday cards. So we are going to customize that. But before then, I would like us to convert our unit to inches. I think I like working in inches. So I'll click on File, select Options, select Advanced. Then I'll scroll down. So I want us to get to the unit section. Okay, show measurement in units of. I have already selected inches. But if your own is reading cm, please click here and select inches, okay? So that you can follow along. Click OK. All right. So let's now go and then do the changing in the dimension. So click on layout, click on size, select more paper sizes. The suitable dimension is 6 by 4 inches. So I'll type 6 here and I will type 4 here. Okay. Then margins, I'll convert everything here to 000. Okay. 0, 0. Good. So we have a good setup. Okay. So I'll click on OK. Now this is the suitable dimensions for birthday card. So now let's add color here. And for us to add color, click on design. Select page color. Then from this list, you can choose a color of your choice. Irrespective of the color you choose at this moment, you can switch to another one. So that you choose a color at the beginning doesn't mean that you can't change it in future. So let's go with this. I think I like that. Okay, so now that we have changed our color, we have chosen our background color, it's now time to type our text. So I will say happy birthday, all right? Before we tap our text, I would like to introduce text box, okay? So it will make it easy for me to be able to move the text anywhere I want, okay? So I'll click on insert, click on shape, click on the text box. Press and hold on the left button of your mouse and then drag, okay? Don't worry, this introduces a background color on the text box, but don't worry, we will remove that later. So I'll say happy birthday. So I'll introduce this mark. Then I'll select all Control A. So let's get to home, click on home tab. Then this apple's body is selected by default, but that's not what I want. So I'll click here and select a better font, okay? I think I like these fonts. So increase the size, 30, 48. Let's see, I'll drag it. I think it's fine. So let's change this one to green. So I'll select it, the exclamation mark, then come down here and click and find a nice green. Good. All right, so you can see it looks cool. But now let's work on this text box by changing this background color and the border. Okay, so as it's selected, click on shape format, select fill option, and go with no fill. Okay, because we don't want it to conflict with the background color of the design. All right, then I'll click again the outline, select no outline. Good, we have a perfect design. Okay, so we have introduced our first text. Now let's add some other elements here, and one of them is the image of the celebrant. So I will click on insert, click pictures, this device, pictures, my picture. Okay, in this case I want to work with this image, so I'll click on that, insert. You can see this image is inserted, but I can't move it. So it's at the back. So let's now work on it for us to be able to work on it. Okay. So I'll select it, then click on this wrap text and select in front of text. So with this, we can move this image to anywhere we want to move it. First, let's start by cropping it. Okay, let's take care. Let's observe something here. This image has background color and it can conflict with the background of the design. So we need to remove this background color before we continue. So I'll open my web browser and get to one particular website that allows us to do that, okay? Our website is remove.bg. Okay, it allows us to remove the background of any picture. So I'll click on that. Then I'll upload my pictures. So look at the image here. So I'll double click on it. Okay, you can see the image has been placed here and the background has been removed. The next step is to click on download. And here it is. It is downloaded in the downloads folder of my file explorer. Okay, so I can close this. So I will get back to my words. So I'll click on this. Then I'll remove this image. Then I'll click on insert picture this device so that I'll go and get this one we just remove the background. Downloads. Click on this. That is the picture here. Import. Okay, as usual, click this wrap text in front of text. Good. So we can now move it around. So let's now first cut this because it's too lengthy. What we need is just a part of this picture. Okay. Good. Good. We're getting it right. Shape this like this. Shape this like this. All right. So we click on crop again. Good. So I can drag this image here, then can expand it this way, can expand it this way, and I can expand this way. We continue. We need to add some elements here, okay? So we are going to download those elements from our browser, all right? So I'll put you in, so I'll take you in steps on how you can download them, okay? We need cake, we need balloon, and we need birthday package, all right? The icon. So we will download them and then bring them into this design to continue creating what we want to create. Okay, let's now go and download the other elements we need to beautify that design. So I'll open my web browser. First, I'll search for birthday cake, okay? Then I'll click on images. This returns a lot of beautiful birthday cakes. Let's go for this. I think I like this. So I'll click on that. Now, let's try and download this by right clicking and select Save As. Okay, this appears as web file. So the best we can do to ourselves is to screenshot. Okay, so I don't have that strength. So I'll take screenshot of this. Good. So it's okay. I've taken the screenshot. Then I'll go to this, my file explorer, and then move it to downloads. I want to have everything in downloads. Or let's gather everything in one folder. All right. So my pictures, no, yeah, it should be in screenshot. No, pictures. Then locate screenshots. Okay, good. So I will click on that and then I'll copy. Or do I cut? Let me cut. Then let me have a folder here in downloads. So new folder. Let's call it birthday elements. Or let's just birthday elements. Okay. Elements. The design. Enter. Then double click and then paste it here. Okay, so we have downloaded the birthday cake. So let's get back and download another important thing, which is birthday balloons. Okay, I've searched for it before. Okay, so the next we need to search is birthday gift icon. Okay, birthday package icon. Okay, it has returned a lot, so I'm going to download two. So in your own case, download any two of your choice. All right. All right, all these images we downloaded, which will act as elements in our design, come with background colors. And because we don't want them to conflict with the background color of the design we are creating, we need to go and remove the background. So we get to this background remove, that BG remove, and then get it removed. Okay. So do that in all the images. Okay. It's as simple as that before we continue our creating of our design. So I'll do that at the back end and we continue from there. Thank you. Okay, let's now introduce our elements. First, let's start with cake. So I'll click on insert, click on pictures, this device. Then we save that in a folder we call elements, a bit the elements. Okay, so double click. Then let me locate the cake. Okay, insert. All right, so we'll click as usual, click here and in front of text. So we will carefully reposition this. Yeah, can crop. Okay, I can click on it and I will copy and I'll paste it here. Okay, so I'll get it here. I think I have to increase the size. Okay, then let's go and bring in the other elements. Insert, picture, this. Then I will do as usual in front of text. Drag this. Okay, so you reposition this in some good suitable positions. So then which other element is missing here? Okay, the gift. So insert this device. First insert in front of text. Okay, so okay, this represents his gift item. Okay, let's position one as well here. So I will insert again. Okay, wrap in front of text. Just be strategic in your design. Okay, so let's work with these ones. So I think we are okay like this. So I want to add text wishing my this young man a very happy birthday. So we write something here. So for you to do that as usual, let's use our text brush to do that. So we have this here. I will type what I want to have here. Okay, so we have something nice. It says, "May our Lord prosper you and make your dreams come true more years." Okay, so it's a great design, but you can even change the background if you don't like it. Okay, so if you don't like the background, you can change it further before you save. Okay, I get in that. So for you to do that, just click on the design and then select the option for page color. Okay, so you can assign any one of your choice. So make your choice from the list. So anyone you take your cursor to, you will see how it changes. I think this is fine. This is fine too. But this one is kind of bright. It brightens the design more. So let's try other ones. This is too green. So let's get to that place again. This is cool. Okay. So it's fine. So with this, we can now save in document. After that, we export. So for you to save in document, click on file, select save as, select browse. So where do we save this now? Okay, let's get to our downloads and then save it in the elements area. Okay. So let's call this custom birthday, custom birthday. All right. So this is in document format. So I'll save. Then after that, we export file, export. So we are exporting in PDF. All right. So it has selected the folder automatically because we saved the doc format there. So click on publish. I prefer we convert this to PNG. The former one we did with from templates, we converted to JPEG. But PNG is better to give you more brighter design. Okay. More brighter outcomes. So let's open our browser, then open new tab, and then go to the convert IO, open it, choose file, select this, open, click at this spot, select image, PNG, convert. And the conversion is done. Download is done. I hope you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel so that anytime I publish new tech video, you get notification on that on your phone or on your PC. Many things in our world of today revolve around technology, and the more you learn, the better you become. Okay. Also, if you want to support this channel, you can do so. Okay. So I have buy me a coffee link in the description. You can support if you are moved to do so. Okay. Hit that like button for me for the video to go viral. You can also watch this video to learn more on technology. See you next time.